Oh.
She's got a hiccup. I wrote my camera too. I should be getting something. Poor baby.
No reaction at all. Just waiting
She's tired.
out. Yeah, I do that with your hair. Give her a bath. Let's see, how are we going to do that and keep her warm?
It's pretty warm out there.
Is it warm enough?
I don't know if they stopped the fire or whatever.